Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable to show map labels in the Ionity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on this sign at the top of the page on the left, and at this map settings section look for the show map labels button, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned orange, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.